Welcome everyone, this is Justin from 117 West Spirits, and today we are going to make a mojito. A mojito is a drink that dates back to the 1500s when the Spanish conquistadors came to the shores of Cuba, and the sailors were suffering from dysentery and scurvy, and this concoction, which consists of pot distilled white rum, in our case 117 West white rum, lime juice, simple syrup, and some fresh mint. You mix that up and serve it in one of these Collins glasses, and it was elixir for those poor sailors. Today, we'll just get to it and start mixing it up in our cocktail shaker. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is put 3/4 ounces of simple syrup with 3 mint leaves. And we're gonna want to muddle that up to get that mint flavor infused in the simple syrup. You could also use granulated sugar, but the simple syrup's just gonna dissolve way better for you. And you could also make a mint syrup by infusing mint while you're making your simple syrup. Once we have the mint and simple syrup muddled, we will add some ice to our shaker, along with 3/4 ounces of lime juice and 2 ounces of white rum. You're gonna wanna use something like the 117 West pot distilled white rum because it's got a nice robust flavor, but it's still crisp and really balances well with the acidity from the lime juice and the sweetness from the simple syrup and mint mixture. We shake that up. And we want to fill our glass with ice. You want to use bigger cubes here. Not giant cubes, but definitely not crushed cubes because you don't want it to dilute too quickly. And we strain over the ice. And then we're gonna top with a little bit of soda. And then we will garnish with a couple things here. A mint sprig. And also a couple of lime wheels. Recalling back that the origin of this drink is to help with scurvy, and the lime, the acidity of the lime is really, the star here. And hopefully you don't overflow the drink like I just did. But nonetheless, there you go, a delicious, refreshing summer mojito.